Welcome to the seventh part of this ACET problem solution lecture series. So today in this part, we will start from question number 31. Let's begin. We have covered all these problems till now. So here in this question number 31, we have asked that suppose X has a continuous uniform distribution over the interval minus 2, 2. So the value of A such that P of X lies between minus A less than X less than A plus A is equal to 0.95 is. So we have to find out this value. So to solve this problem, so it's given here. Sorry, I have to change the setting of my writing kit. Okay, so to solve question number 30, let's solve the question number 31. So here, it's given that P of X, probability of X lies between minus 1 to minus A to plus A. It can be written in this manner that minus A to A integration 1 by 4 dx, okay, which can be written as A by 2. So, okay, and this is equivalent to 0.95 is already given. So we can write that A is equal to nothing but just cross multiply 2 with 0.95 and you will get the value 1.90. So this is the answer. So the correct option will be option number C. Now let's come to the question number 32. Here they have given a table and they have asked that the following table shows the cumulative distribution function of a discrete random variable x, where the value of x is given here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and fx is equal to this. So then we have to find out P of x equal to 3 given x greater than equal to 3 equals to. So we have to find out this value. So to find out this value, let's write P of x equal to 3 is equal to P of x less than equal to 3 minus P of x less than equal to 2. So we can write it in this manner. Then it is f of 3 minus f of 2, and the value will be the difference of this f3 minus f2 will be 0.6 minus 0.3, right? So you'll put this value here from the above table and the value will be result will be 0.3. Okay, now we have to find P of x greater than equal to 3. We know we can write this in this way also, P of x less than 3. P of x greater than equal to 3 is synonymous with P1 minus P of x less than 3. Okay, so we'll again put here the value. Just a second. So it can be written as 1 minus P of x less than equal to 2 is equal to 1 minus f of 2, that is 1 minus 0.3 is equal to 0.7. Okay, now the question here is given that P of x equal to 3. This is we have to find out the value of this relation. So P of x equal to 3 given x greater than equal to 3. It can be written as P of x equal to 3, comma x greater than equal to 3 divided by P of x greater than equal to 3. So it is P of x equal to 3 and it is P of x greater than equal to 3. And we have already found out the value, and this value will be 3 by 7. Okay, we have already found the value of this P of x equal to 3 and P of x equal to 3 here. These are the value given. So this is my answer. So 3 by 7 is my answer, which is equivalent to option number B. So correct answer of question number 32 will be option B. Now let's solve question number 33. So here they've asked that let x be a random variable with the probability density function of if x is equal to this. This relationship, the PDF is given here. Now they have asked that let y is equal to 5 plus 0.5x. 5 plus 0.5x. Then we have to find out the value of this statement. E of y minus ey whole to the power 25. So to solve this, let's write this equation again. Y is equal to 5 plus 0.5x. Okay. Uh, y is equal to 5 plus 0.5x into ey, that is equal to 5 plus, no, I think y is equal to 5 plus 0.5x. Then e of y is equal to, okay, if y is equal to 5 plus 0.5x, then e of y is equal to 5 plus 0.5 of ex. So it can be written it in this manner, that e of y is equal to 5 plus 0.5 e of x. Okay. Now ex is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x 1 by root 2 pi e to the power of minus x square by 2 dx is equal to 0. Okay. So e of y will be 5 plus 0.5 into this ex is equal to what? 0. So we will put this value here. So 0.5 into 0. So the result will be 5. Now the question is, we have to find out the value of e of y minus ey whole to the power 25. So to solve this, we'll write e of y minus ey whole to the power 25 is equal to e of 5 plus 0.5x minus 5 whole to the power 25. That is equivalent to e of 0.5x whole to the power 25. It can be written in this way: 0.5 whole to the power 25 into e of x to the power 25. Okay. I am just separating this 0.5 in of x whole to the power 25 in two parts. That is 0.5 whole to the power 25 into e of x whole to the power 25. Let me write it in a more clearer form. It's getting congested. So is equal to e of uh, that is e of 0.5 x whole to the power 25. It can be written in this way, that 0.5 whole to the power 25 into e of x to the power 25. Okay. We have segregated this e of 0.5 into x whole to the power 25 in these two parts. Now, e of x to the power 25. To find out this value, we'll write it as minus infinity to plus infinity. X to the power 25, 1 by root 2 pi e to the power minus x square by 2 dx is equal to 0. So, e of y minus 5 whole to the power 25 is equal to 0. Okay. So by this way, in this way, we can say that the correct answer of this problem, e of y, the value of this equation will be is equivalent to 0. So option A will be the correct answer. Let's jump to the question number 34. Here it is, they asked that in this question 34, let x be a continuous random variable with probability PDF is this. And this is the PDF function. Now the mean and the 25th percentile of the distribution are 8 and 6 respectively. Then the 90th percentile of the distribution is, we have to find out this value. Okay. So I am starting the solution from this part, okay, because otherwise we place stress. Okay. I am writing this solution in red color, okay. Then I think it will be helpful to understand. It will be more clearer or visible. So mean of the distribution is equal to a to b 1 by b minus a dx is equal to a plus b by 2. Okay. Then x 0.25, that is 25th percentile of the distribution. Okay. Now, after this part, I am starting the solution here. Okay. Okay. Now, P of x less than equal to x 0.25 is equal to 0.25 is equivalent to x a running from integration of a to x 0.25 1 by b minus a dx is equal to 0.25, which implies x 0.25 minus a by b minus a is equal to 0.25. Okay. Now, if we write it again, it implies x 0.25 is equal to a plus 0.25 of b minus a, that is equivalent to 0.75 a plus 0.25 b. Okay. So, a plus b by 2 is equal to 8 and 0.75 a plus 0.25 b is equal to 6. This implies that a is equal to 4. So this implies a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 12. So the 90th percentile of the distribution will be, so 90th percentile, say there is shortage of place actually. So the 90th, no, let me solve this part here. Okay. So I am giving a star mark here and I will solve the rest of this part in this portion. Okay. So now I am starting from this part. Otherwise, the next problem question, the space of the next question will suffer. So from here, we'll solve that so that the 90th percentile of the distribution is equal to a plus 0.90 b minus a. It can be written as 4 plus 0.90 into 8. It is equivalent to 11.2. So this will be the answer, and it is equivalent to option B. Okay. So this solution is kind of haphazard. So at first we have found that mean of the distribution is this. Then we have written this part. After that part, I have started the solution. So after that, I have started solving the problem from here. Okay. Here we found that the value is equal to 0.25. Now x 0.25 is equal to this, and from there we found the value of a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 12. Then I have given 2 star marks here, and the end part of the sum is here, where we have finally found the 90th percentile of the distribution, that is equivalent to 11.2. That is the similar as option B. Okay. Now let's jump to the question number 35. Here, suppose x and y are independent discrete random variables and each assumes the value 0, 1, and 2 with probability 1 by 3. Then we have to find this equal to what? So, p of x is equal to 2, y is equal to greater than 1 is equal to p of x is equal to 2 into p of y greater than equal to 1. Since x and y are independent, so that I can write this equation, this relationship in this way. Okay. So the next part will be 1 by 3 p of y is equal to 1 plus p of y is equal to 2 is equal to 1 by 3 of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. I'm just putting the value from this given information. You will get the answer will be 2 by 9. Okay. But so the answer is equivalent to option number C. So the answer of question number 35 will be C. Okay. So thank you for this part. We will meet in the 8th part of this lecture session. Thank you.